Hello to everyone. Today we will be starting chapter cell. It is the most basic and most important chapter of class 9th. Okay, it is a basic of biology. If we will clear this chapter, then everything, because our second chapter is tissue, that is linked with cell. Okay, so let us start cell. Cell, it is a Latin word. In Latin, it is known as cellula, which means a small compartment. It can be a hexagonal compartment or a pentagonal compartment. It looks like a small compartment. So cell means a small compartment. We say cell is a unit of life. Why we say it? Because a unit of life is that it can perform all vital activities that is important for living. It can perform all vital activities like respiration, like excretion, like digestion, everything. So it is a unit of life. The study of cell is called as cytology. Who discovered cell? Cell was first discovered by a scientist known as Robert Hooke. He discovered a dead cell in a bark of a tree. Bark of a tree means जो ट्री का तना होता है, जो उसका ब्राउन वाला लकड़ी वाला हिस्सा होता है, उसको कहते हैं. ओके, so he discovered a dead cell and it looked like these, a dead compartment like structures. Okay, so it is discovered by Robert Hooke. But first living cell was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Who discovered first living cell? Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Okay, and then comes a scientist known as Rudolf Virchow. He said that omnis cellula e cellula, which means cells are produced from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing cells means the cells which are already present. Okay, so they are produced from pre-existing cell. How? A cell is here. You can imagine if a cell is this, then after some times when it will get old or when its time will complete, then it will divide in half, and from this cell two new cells are born. Okay, so he said that omnis cellula e cellula means a cell is produced from pre-existing cell. Means पहले वाले जो ओरिजिनल सेल है उसके डिवीज़न की वजह से दो नए सेल्स का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. ठीक है, इसको हम कहते हैं omnis cellula e cellula. इसको किसने कहा? रुडोल्फ विर्काउ ने. ओके, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमारी सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज टू टाइप्स के होते हैं. आई मीन्स सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स टू टाइप के होते हैं. यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स मीन्स दे आर सिंगल सेल्ड. They are made up of single cell organisms. They are called as unicellular organisms. Example are amoeba, okay, bacteria and paramecium, etc. They are unicellular, means these organisms are made up of single cell. Okay, then comes multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are those that are made up of millions and trillions of cells. They are composed of many cells. Okay, example, human beings. The body of human being is made up of trillions of cells. Okay, so we are multicellular organisms, and other animals, plants, etc. all are multicellular organisms. Okay, then comes what is a cell? How can cell can perform all these activities without anything? Because it has some vital organelles that perform every function for them. Our cell is divided into two parts. Number first is outer covering, and then is inner part. Outer covering is made up of plasma membrane, and outside plasma membrane is a living membrane.